at Ellesmere Port, Cheshire Oaks. I'm going to try slim chickens. See what the fuss is all about. Yeah, well, it says it's open. Oh, is it in there? No. Oh, that's alright, isn't it?
I think it'd be open that way.
You are?
I think it'd be open that way.
I know, yeah. That's pretty mad, isn't it? Yeah, it's a shop. We just asked what time the shop's open till then. It said it was 9 o'clock. So I think are all the shops open till 9.
I think they're open quite late.
Yeah, I think all the shops are open till 9. There's loads of shops as well. Going to your shopping. It's a really good place to come with the kids as well. Yeah, so there's loads of places to park as well. There's loads of parking. So you won't have any trouble finding parking. Yeah, like I said, there's loads of shops. So there's not that many food places actually. There's more shops than there are food places. But the food places are really nice. Yeah, we're going to Slim Chickens. We're going to try the chicken salad from Slim Chickens. See what it's like. Give it a review. I think it's just round this corner now. Yeah, there it is. Just
When you order it, it's table 180.
Right. So when you come in, you've just got the screens, you can order your food. Eating. Salads. So I've got slim salad, meal, so you have to choose your sauces. Yeah, so that's my order. I've got slim salad meal with blue cheese, chocolate milkshake and Texas toast side. And that comes to £17.40. Right, so food's arrived. That's my salad and a side of Texas toast, and I've got chocolate milkshake there. It's like fried chicken, but they slice it all up for you, which is good. So it's quite easy to eat. You just get like a little bit of everything. Got like lettuce, carrot, cucumber, coleslaw there, grated cheese. Really nice. If you want something healthy and like tasty, this is perfect. Oh, how's yours? Is it alright?
Really good, yeah. You got a good selection of colours there, good selection of flavours.
So I've had a bit more now. It's really nice. Like I say, if you want something healthy, you've got a salad. I didn't even know you could get salads from here. I just thought it was like a fried chicken place, but yeah, if you like your salads, this is like a really nice place to come for a salad. It's a really nice salad, to be fair. So yeah, I reckon I need to get a score. So I'd say 8.5. What do you think, DJ?
So yeah, really good.
What score would you give it?
Taking everything into consideration, you know, the cost is a bit up there, but you know, it's delicious, it's healthy. Like Matt said, you know, you get a lot of stuff in your bowl there. It's really satisfying. I'm going to give it a 9.
A 9? Wow. Right, so this is the receipt. It was $12.95 for the salad, and you get 2 sauces with it. That's a meal though, so you get I think you get some of the drinks are free. But I got a milkshake, which is normally about a £5, so that was only £3 to add that to the meal. And then I got a side of Texas toast, so it made it £17.40, which is quite expensive really for what it is. You know, just a salad really, but you do get a drink. But yeah, it is really nice. So if you fancy a treat, it's worth it. And obviously it's a salad, so it's quite healthy really.